Hi everyone, you're about to watch the sneak peek of what goes on behind the scenes when I make all of these courses on this channel. Sometimes my brain just shuts down and I don't even know what I'm about to say. All right, so let's check it out. So they're going to straddle 4 columns each. There's going to be 3 kind of boxes along here, and they're going to strand blah blah blah. That didn't work. Transform. There's one there called reflect. I'm going to use horizontal. Copyright 2017. An interesting thing is under type, the copyright symbols under something called glyphs. So glyphs are all the kind of crazy icons on your keyboard. Okay, and you'll find it's almost impossible to find them. Where are you? You can probably see it. I can't yet. Oh man, it's right there. I know it is. At symbol. It's the hardest thing to find. Oh my god, you're going to have to fast forward this. It's embarrassing. Okay, it's not there. I swear it. Where are you, copyright? Register a trademark. We're close. It is probably easier to Google this than it is for you to watch me find it. I worry what Taylor the editor is going to do with this debacle. Still can't see it. Maybe it's you, not me. There it is. Oh, okay. To use it, double click it. Okay, and you'll see it appear in there. Close down glyphs. Helpful panel that was. Okay, and mine's going to be Dan's portfolio company. Okay, and they're all they're for all sorts of things. Okay. All right. See you in the video. All right, let's get started. All right, let's get started. Wow, sounds lame. Man, I'm lame. All right, let's get started. Sorry, Taylor. Let's go and do some cheat sheets. That's terrible. Hell. Cheat sheet tip number 5 of 8, okay, for using Illustrator for web and UI work. Okay, and this one is, I can't remember. It's gone out of my head. All right, cheat sheet. All right, cheat sheet number 5 of 8 in our series for Illustrator for UI. All right, cheat sheet tip number 5. Wow, it's not working. Come on. All right. Cheat sheet tip number 6 of 8, and this is how to export lots of web graphics, okay, quickly for lots of responsive different images using Adobe Illustrator. Cheat sheet tip number 6, using Illustrator for web and user. Cheat sheet tip number 6 for using Illustrator for web and UI design work. This one is how to go off and change loads of different things all at once on your document. Bingo. That's the wrong one. Oh, shit, we already did that one. You're going to hate this one, Taylor. All right, cheat sheet tip number 6 for the Illustrator for web and UI design work. This one we're going to look at, can't remember. I just looked at it. Okay. Exporting. Cheat sheet tip number 6 for Illustrator, UI, web, and design work. Doesn't make sense. Cheat sheet tip number 6 out of 8 for using Illustrator for UI and web design work. Okay, this one is how to go through and, can't remember. Exporting images. You have good days, you have bad days. Thank goodness. Wow, that took a long time. Hope you're laughing, Taylor, and not crying. Tip number 8 of 8, okay? It's tip number 8, yay! Of all of the tips. That was pretty bad, eh? Let's do that one more time. Hey there, you've made it all the way to the end. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Taylor, the editor, for putting it together. I think I'm thanking you. Anyway, I thought it was funny. Because you've made it to the end, I'd like to offer you the chance to win. At the moment, we've got a competition running for a lifetime subscription, an annual subscription, and a monthly subscription to my website. All you have to do is to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed. So that's something we'll be double checking. And if you can fill out the form, there's a link in the description for that. And there's also a bonus entry for everybody that is also a member of, signed up to us on Instagram, Twitter, and has joined the Bring Your Laptop Facebook group. All links for those in the description. Do one, do them all. Thank you for watching, and I'm sure there'll be more bloopers to come.